आतां खबरो विस्तारान. आपत्कालीन वेळार 2 मिनटां रक्ताच्यो वेगवेगळ्यो चांचण्यो करून दिवपी आय स्टेट मशीन उपलब्ध करून दिवपाक भलायकी खात्यान मंगळारा कलटोन कंपनी बरोबर सामंजस्य करार सय केला. कलटोन कंपनीन 80 लाख रुपयाची मशीनां गोंय सरकाराक CSR अंतर्गत दिल्या.
Colocon has decided to support us and provide 10 machines, iStat machines this year, along with the cartridges that are required, and this is to the tune of approximately 80 lakhs till March. We are looking forward to a long-term relationship with Colocon. Every year they will review what is the requirement for the health services and Department of Health and continue to upgrade and help us increase the number of the iStat machine, which is one of its kind in the country. And this is the machine which they will explain. This is the state-of-art machine which I will allow the experts to talk about it. I will allow it's better Abbott's talks about it. Their representative talk about it. And today is a day which is a very important moment for me, at least, because we have this slogan, mission of saving lives, and this adds to our strength and our mission of saving lives, along with Colocon, which has partnered with us to procure these machines from Abbott and give it to us.
Our company is into a supply of raw materials to pharmaceutical companies, so we are already part of the healthcare business, but we want to reach to the people who are the most needy. We are working on our corporate social responsibility for last 8-9 years in Goa, directly with the end users, and then working with Dr. Dalvi. We have our health vans which are going into the remote villages where even there are no roads, and doing camps. We have introduced a dental van recently, and it's giving us a good success. So this is another milestone that we are considering. I'm sure that this machine will benefit and save a lot of lives.
So this is a critical care point of care machine. You can take the lab, this is a lab, to the bedside of the patient, take 2 drops of blood, use cartridges like this, put 2 drops of blood in these cartridges, and the result will come in 2 minutes. Not only that, you can print the result, you can transmit the result through a Wi-Fi to a hospital information system, to an LAN, etc., etc. This machine can also store 1,000 results by itself. Okay, and from an operator competency standpoint, very, very easy to use. You don't need a healthcare technologist to use it. Even a nurse can use this. Most of the cartridges that we have are clear waved.
आपण गोंयचो भलायकी मंत्री महाराष्ट्राचो न्हय, गोंयच्या लोकांचे हित पळोवप हे आपले कर्तव्य. ह्या खातीर 1 डिसेंबरा सावन गोंय भायल्या दुयेंती कडल्यान उपचार शुल्क घेवप जातले म्हण ह्या वेळार भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला.
काउंटर ओपन करून दी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान DDSSYचे कशे काउंटर आहा ते कार्ड तेंच्या लोकांक दिवन दी, ते स्वायप करा आनी तुमी ट्रिटमेंट घ्या, म्हाका प्रॉब्लेम काय ना. पूण एक लक्षात घ्या, आमी सगळे गोंयकार हांगा बसले. माझी जबाबदारी हा गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर सबसिडायज करपाक. हांव भायलो महाराष्ट्राचो मंत्री न्हू, आनी कितलोय म्हाजेर दबाव आयल्यार जो पर्यंत हांव आरोग्य मंत्री हा, हे म्हाजे निर्णय ठाम आहा आनी त्या प्रमाणे हांव करतलो. कितें
आर्डिक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.